Yeah, I'm delighted to be here, and sorry, your intro was perhaps set me up a little too much. You said I was a really cool guest, and now I have the pressure to be interesting.
But you are naturally interesting.
Oh, I don't know about that. We'll see by the end, I suppose.
And you do so many cool characters. Speaking of which...
Well, that is true.
What are some cool characters you've been voicing lately?
I suppose I should start with that. Let's see. Well, some of the characters that I suppose I'm most noted for are Megatron from a couple of versions of Transformers, like the one on Netflix, and the Prime Wars trilogy and things like that. A couple of video games as well. Who's been a lot of fun to play, actually, because I enjoy playing that large metal man.
Oh my god.
And oh yes, and let's see, Coach Nanbu from Megalobox. For anybody who's seen that, I do a lot of anime here and there, which is always fun. Like Keicho Nijimura from JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. What else have I done? Fire Venom Dragon from Sleepy Princess and the Demon Castle. The Demon King from Seven Deadly Sins, and then most recently I did Cortifex the Deathless from Call of Duty Vanguard Zombies, which just came out a couple days ago.
Damn.
And yeah. So I'm the big bad in that. You can have a lot of fun trying to banish me back to the dark ether. So that was a lot of fun. I really hope that they come out with like a statue of that guy. His visual is so cool. Yeah, so yeah, that's about where I'm at. I dabble here and there and play a lot of big spooky bad guys and some older gentlemen who are mentors and things like that. So and of course, can't forget to mention, considering where we are and what we're talking about and all that, I also play Victor in Lackadaisy, which of course has been a real joy, and everybody involved with that is amazing. And there you go, Victor with a K, I believe.
Yeah, that's what I put
I'm gonna try writing here. Here we go. Oh no. Wow, a 2-year-old is writing this. Oh my good gosh, Wow.
Well, that works.
I mean, technically, yes. Oh, wait, are you using a stylus?
Of course I am.
Oh, that's no fair. I see where this. I was gonna say, I was like, how the. Why do I write so poorly? Kind of like trying to write on a chalkboard. It's like,
this is
okay, see, okay, not crazy.
There you go.
Oh my god, there we go. Now that looks like I wrote that. Perfect.